to ride. Pictures. Nice place, right? Nice highway. Veggies. What you are aiming at?
Mountain.
It's nice, no?
Yeah.
I think we have to go there.
That's why I got it.
Nice. I can feel cool air. This is what we wanted. We took a small photo break there. Clicked some nice pictures with this as a background. Salem, 35 kilometers. I don't know which number of toll gate is this. We present you the town of Salem. We have entered outskirts of Salem. Salem is 4 kilometers more. And the traffic has started already. We are lucky. It's not that hot. I was prepared to ride in 35 degrees because Tamil Nadu and down south, you know. That too we are riding towards coastal. I thought it will be superb hot, but it's okay. It's around 28 to 30 degrees. Now sun is setting behind us. That side, so at least we have a good weather ahead. We are maintaining a good speed. We have done 190 kilometers in 2 hours. That XUV 500 guy was about to hit Sriram. Such reckless drivers. There is barricade and he has seen that. Sriram has slowed down because of that barricade. This guy is going and he is stopping just very near. How do I have to go? It's all in Tamil, man. I don't know to read Tamil. And this is the first time I'm coming here to this Salem city. Salem city left, Coimbatore, Salem city, Yercaud, Karur, Dindugal. I think we have to go straight. So we have crossed Salem city. Mostly we are in the outskirts, so there is a deviation here to take a right. So we have to go in that highway for Madurai and Kanyakumari. And what crazy driving these people have, man. I thought Bangalore people are more crazier. These people have crossed crazy into 100. Hey, we have Cafe Coffee Day also. Second fuel stop.
Current has gone.
Oh, sure.
பார்த்து போடுங்க அது வெளியில வந்துரும் லைக் பாருங்க
அது ஸ்டாப்பர் இருக்காங்க ஸோ சைடில் எப்படி அடிக்கணும் so many close encounters no that Mercedes Benz after that there was one junction no back of you one XUV 500 he came he stopped like very close to you
saw that guy, yeah.
Barricades are there he saw the barricades he was pissed off because you overtook him very closely
I noticed him in the rear mirror
and one more close on that Pulsar 2 guys you were going like this they came like this and you dodged again they became straight I thought they'll go to the right and I was overtaking from the left again they came this side man I was like within fraction of second I passed they are doing ad shoot for Wi-Fi cards my turn is done now Sriram is doing it Sixth toll gate NKTRL Rasampalyam. Our boy is stopping. Enachi bro? He spilled no fuel.
No, but if I brake hard, no? Petrol is coming.
How come that is possible? Remove this cap. Oh, okay. There is a crack. Crack irukku inga. See? You come this side. So see from here. So whenever, I mean, it's not dangerous, but when you do full tank, it spills. So once that level goes down, it will become normal.
Then I have to change the tank.
You will get it. You have to claim insurance and do it. Next time when you refuel, don't tell him to do full. Madurai is 130 kilometers. This is a town of Dindigul. Dindigul or Dindukkal, I don't know. Pardon me if I'm spelling it wrong. Sriram has to take one call at 7 o'clock it seems. We are seeing for a place to sit out so that he can take a call. We'll stop here.
No, no, correct.
Annais or what? Huh? Annais. Annais means what? Big brother. Huh? Annai's brother.
They say Annai Tandai.
Oh, okay. So we are near to Dindigul, right?
Yeah, not near 50-60 kilometers.
50-60 kilometers. This is not the time to eat idli, but we are having idlis.
Yeah.
We are at this place called Karur. It is before Dindigul, and Kanyakumari is like 6 hours journey, around 360 kilometers. We just stopped here to have something because since afternoon we didn't have anything. We just had a tea and we continued like you guys saw. Sriram had to take one office call, so we pulled over at this place. It is some random hotel at the highway. So back of me there is a highway. So our bikes are parked that side. It's a good break. Now what we'll do is we'll continuously hit Kanyakumari. That is the plan. We'll take 2 breaks, maybe a chai break, and target is to reach there by 10 or 11. We'll see. We don't know.
Place you asked me left or right?
Correct.
That was only Madurai.
So that left.
Left was inside the city.
Okay. So we have crossed Madurai. We are on bypass. Okay. More 227 kilometers. Where? Yeah. 3 hours 48 minutes. Will we reach by before 12?
230 kilometers.
Yeah. I mean, if we maintain the same pace, properly we can do. You want to view the update? Sriram is here. Too much of crosswinds. Now also you can see. So we are 110 kilometers away from Kanyakumari.
Yeah, the roads are poorly lit, so it's very dark.
I mean till the last fuel break it was good. After
Yeah.
that it's all bumpy. There are roads but it's very bumpy. So we are not able to hold the bike also. Like bike is like lifting.
And your ox lights, they are very useful.
So Sriram's bike doesn't have aux lights. I mean he has put a promise that he'll keep stock.
Yeah.
But you'll be getting, right? You have plans of getting?
No. I'll just keep it. But if I go for like really long rides, night ride and all, you need it actually.
Yeah, so I'm having my coffee and we have already booked the hotel. We'll reach there and I'll update you guys because there is nothing to update. We're just continuously riding and we took a lot of breaks. That's the thing. But that's fine. We are enjoying. I'll update you guys if there is anything interesting. Our time is around 10:15, so we'll see. Riding in night is different level excitement. It is dangerous not to do, and I won't suggest also. But without heat and high temperatures, you can enjoy like anything. Some road construction. We just crossed Madurai. Kanyakumari is around 220 kilometers. Time is 9:30. We're not super tired also. We are doing good. I need to overtake this lorry here. Shriram and we are like riding together. I have aux lights, the extra lights, so I'm able to do good speeds. But Shriram doesn't have lights, so he is struggling a bit, and I am leading as of now. I think 2 more hours we'll be in Kanyakumari, maybe by 11:30 max by 12. Plus we are doing very good pace. I mean, we are not doing high speeds. We are constantly maintaining 100, 110. Sometimes I am taking the lead and I am doing the lead job with my lights and all. And Shriram will follow. After 10 kilometers, he will take the lead. So we are switching places like that. So what happens is we'll be kept active if we are doing this. From afternoon 3 o'clock when we started, Shriram was leading. Because I am not so much into leading. I don't want to be in the front. So I was following him, vlogging and doing videos and stuff. But now since he doesn't have a good light, so I'm taking the lead